Oh yeah, I was filming. I just start over because I couldn't see the digits on the phone. Then I figured, well, just hang with me. Let's take a look at these rocks here for a minute and go ahead and go over to the... I've been planning on, wow, this is cool, the two different types together. How does that even happen, you know? Look at this beauty here. It's got a couple black flecks in it. And then luckily, because it's been cold, there's no rattlesnakes out. Well, I hope not. I did notice some ladybugs and some spiders were out. That's pretty interesting over there. Let's go look at that. I almost feel like I shouldn't even be walking on these rocks. They're so beautiful. I'm just freaking out. It's almost like a mushroom trip or something. You know? It's like a fantastic, weird world. I feel like if I could do this every day, I'd be so happy. Maybe I'd get tired of doing it after a while. I don't know. You know, I heard, now I had to do some really deep diving research because, hey, what is this thing right here? It's like pink. It's like an antler, but it's pink. That's really kind of cool. I don't know if that shows on the camera, but it's pretty cool. Oh yeah, so they found some campsites out here that had baskets, and apparently there was one of the most talked about finds was some kind of a spear point from, I think they say 12,000 years ago or something like that. And it's kind of funny because it was extremely hard to find any information, and there's no pictures of the artifacts, which kind of makes me think about an idea leaving stuff for the geologists. Oh, that's fascinating right there. I wonder what's going on there. Or not for the geologists, but the archaeologists, because they just, you know, put the stuff away in a drawer at the university, and then they don't even bother to take a picture and make it public info. It's kind of frustrating. And there's a lot of things about this island that's like super secret. In fact, there's no trails at this particular place where I'm at, and I'm glad. But they really frown on you getting off the trails. But I just said, screw that. I walked from way over there around that, and trying to be careful nobody saw me. And but I did find out that it's not illegal. They just don't approve of it. And you're not supposed to. Look at the size of this piece of quartz right there. Oh, okay. So, well, what I was saying is, I started thinking, I bet you there's some pictographs or petroglyphs out here, and they just won't tell anybody. So, I did some research with AI, and I finally burrowed in deep enough to find out that, yep, indeed, they don't like to talk about it or tell you, but there's some pictographs and petroglyphs out here. And oh, look at that cavey-like thing right there. Let's go up there real quick. This one, really fascinating. I wonder how many people have had to come up and just take a look at this one. Oh, it's not what I thought exactly. I thought it was more of a cubby. Probably should take a break here in a minute. My legs are getting kind of tired. So, but anyways, it was kind of interesting because with the one AI called ChatGTP, I couldn't get any info, and then it just kept saying stuff like, that's the property of the state, and if you find something, like talking to you like a policeman almost. And then so I went to Grok, which is Elon Musk's, and Grok was a lot cooler, but it tried to warn me. It tried to tell me not to pick artifacts up and stuff, and I just told it to quit talking to me like that, and it said, all right, I'll quit giving you dad vibes. And I thought that was kind of funny, but the Grok one, it dove deep and finally gave me some answers, even told me where the petroglyphs were. And I don't think I can reach them today, although that was kind of like my original destination. Let's go around this corner here. Wow. If I was an Indian, I probably would have been hanging out in here somewhere. Seems like it would be cool. Look at this. There's a beer can back in there. There's always a beer can. There's almost always a beer can. And they're kind of, sometimes I'll find one with those old style tabs on them. Let's see. I guess this video is probably long enough. Let's just take a look around. See my next destination here. I still got another huge beach area to cross to get to where I'm trying to go. Let's see here. These rocks here are pretty boring. Oh man, so that's my destination, that point way over there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. I might go for that other band of rocks that's like before it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I guess I'll sign off here.